In this video, I'm going to review the Jungle Gym XT. Hi, it's Keith from Home Tone Fitness. So as I said at the start, I want to review the Jungle Gym XT, which I've got hanging up here. If you have a small space like a garage like I have here, or obviously just using your own doors in your house, you can use these. You can even use these out and about if you want to take them to a local park or anything like this, because it comes with what they call an anywhere anchor. So it just hangs up a little bit like this here, which I have here. This is called an anywhere anchor, and I've got this with these bands. This comes with the same thing, so you can attach it to anything. They come as a separate, they don't connect together like a lot of suspension training systems do. So these ones, you can split them up wider if you like, or bring them in as narrow as you like. You're not having to stay in a fixed position, so you've got the benefit of being able to use these independently and just using one at a time, putting one in one place and one in another. So we have got that adaptability with this, with it being a split system. It does come with a little poster just explaining some basic workouts on there, like basic workout, intermediate and advanced. I'll just give you a little rundown of what you can do. As you look at it here, what I would say is it's very grippy, this handle. So it's really good. You're not going to slip off or anything like that. So they are really good. And it's very durable material as well. It's like a very high sort of like webbing material. I've had people over 20 stone, clients of mine, using these. So it does take a fair bit of weight. So with these, if you just watch me here, I'm just going to do a row. So I'm starting here, and I'll bring myself up. There you go. I'm just doing my back. But this is something that works with you as well. So if you find that that's too hard, then you can just step further back, and then you wouldn't have to go down as far. And vice versa, if you feel like, oh, I need a little bit more than that, I can go sort of right down here and bring myself up, and then you're doing literally like an inverted row. So it's something that can work with you as far as your strength levels. You can do presses or flies, depending on what it is you're wanting to attack, what angle you're wanting to attack of the chest, whether you're wanting to bring in the motion and sort of squeeze in like a fly-in motion, or whether you just want to work on your presses. Some people struggle when they're on the ground trying to do press-ups, but with this, your actual height obviously is suspension training, so you don't have to go all the way down to the floor. It's a way of progressively getting you down there, building up your strength. So it does come with these, if you have a look, if you come in here, it comes in with these little clips, and you can just quickly move them up and down. Again, I mean, I've got these, if you look up here, I've got them hooked up into the rafters, so if you've got a garage like this, then it's ideal. But like I said, you can use it just in the door. It comes with like anchors for the door, so you can use it in your own home, or whether it's something you want to take with you when you're traveling. It's great for things like that. With this option as well, if you haven't got a pull-up bar, you can whack these right up high, and you just whack them both up to the same height, and you'll be able to do pull-ups, chin-ups as well, so you can work on your biceps. So I'm not going to do that right now, just giving you some ideas. So they do come down pretty easy, pretty quick. It's a nice little setup. Just bring them down, like I say, just bring them down to level. So if you like, you can just turn around now, work on your biceps. So that way. Again, turn around the other way, and you can be working on your triceps. So it's an all-in-one piece of kit, really. I mean, you can pretty much work your whole body. If you've got a very confined space, then it's ideal. So not only can you just do sort of upper body, you can do lower body as well. If you want to do things like squats and jump squats, then you can sort of come down here. Okay, and use these to leverage yourself and sort of jump up. And that really work your cardiovascular system as well. It can work your core. So these here, it's got so many exercises it can do. Honestly, it's a great bit of kit, and I use them for my personal training clients. So with these, you just got a quick in and out, easy method for your feet. So I put that in here like that on this one. So it just hooks in nice and easy, and you can do things like suspended mountain climbers, so like that. Okay, and another way you can work your abs, you can sort of bring them in and out to the side, working your obliques. For such a limited amount of space, it's a great piece of kit. You can just easily bring them up and down like this, and once you've had enough, they're easy just to tuck out the way. Like I said, you can take these off and just put them in a bag and go and train with a friend, and it's brilliant. If you're wanting something training wise that's just compact and it doesn't take up a lot of space around the home, then I'd really highly recommend these. So this is the Jungle Gym XT. I'll put a link down in the description. If you fancy giving these a go, I highly recommend them. So if you want something in the home that's non-intrusive, you don't want a bench, or you don't want anything like big weights or anything like that around your home, or you haven't actually got the space for anything like that, then something like this is brilliant. You can just put it in a bag or put it in a drawer, tuck it out of the way, and just get them out when you want to use them. Nice and easy to set up. So for me, I just like to tuck them out of the way over here. Just bring them over, hang them across. Nice and easy. Okay, and that's it. That's all done and dusted for me. That's out of the way. They're a great bit of kit. So don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments below if you think this is a good little idea to have around the home.